In this video, I will show you how to use Waze on motorcycle. First, open your Waze app, then tap the three-line option on the upper left, then tap the settings, then tap navigation, and you will see options like this, then tap vehicle type. Now select motorcycle. You can also choose your preferences like avoid tolls, avoid ferries, avoid freeways, unpaved roads, and avoid difficult intersections. You can also change it here by tapping the select vehicle type. You can also see here the settings that you saw earlier, and you can also change it here. Then you're all set.